Ashim, come here. I want you to remake Aradhana. Same songs, new boy and a new girl. So I told him that, Kakaji, who will match up to your talent? How will I find another Rajesh Khanna? He's got a powerful role which is as powerful as Shah Rukh's and Shakti.
प्यार करना ना था, प्यार करना बड़ा।
It's a love story. It's about two college students studying in Poland. Actually, I'm studying there, and Nazia comes there for a summer course to study hotel management. The main story is about these two people who fall in love with their families who have problems with each other, and how these two resolve the conflicts in a very different manner. I mean, from what you've seen in the past. That's the story in one line.
See, they're born on the same day. There is some magical power that attracts them to each other. Even as newborn babies, they got attracted to each other. So
Like
when
fate.
they see each other for the first time, again, they just can't resist getting attracted to each other. It's that power that brings them together. Rowdy Rathod, Bol Bachchan are films which have been around for so many years. That type of films. There's nothing new about those films. They are entertainers, mass entertainers. I haven't seen Gangs of Wasseypur, so I can't really comment on that. Yes, there are new type of films, but even new type of stories were made that time. That time when my father made Amanush, everybody said, oh, different type of film. That time when my father made Aradhana, some of the distributors before the release said, my God, father and son, how can you, same guy playing that role, change the actors, one of the roles. I mean, that sort of reactions. Now when you're coming to the launch of Aditya, you see, most of the successful actors today have come in with a love story as their first film. So I thought over, and then another thing was, Shakti Films is known for love stories, romantic stories with good music. So I thought, let me give the public back what they expect from Shakti Films, a love story. So there were 2-3 reasons. One was, of course, as I mentioned, that every launch of a successful actor has been with a love story. And secondly, the reputation of our banner. Love stories give a lot of more opportunity for a music director and the lyric writer to write better, to compose better. All the 6 songs are good songs. Some are very good, some are good.
I remember the first shot of this film in an airport in Udaipur, and I remember the first shot very clearly because I did so many rehearsals and things like that, and first time facing the camera, yes, but I think it was only that first 1 or 2 hours, and then I was totally fine. I've been around the camera for so long, even on Dad's older film sets I've been hanging around. I've been an AD with Dad, with David Dhawan, so yes, I have the familiarity with everything was there, but the first time, although no matter how much you've been around the camera, it's definitely pretty scary.
A few years back, in fact, 5 years back, 6 years back, he had come to meet Dad and he told me that, Ashim, come here. I want you to remake Aradhana. Same songs, new boy and a new girl. So I told him, Kakaji, who will match up to your talent? How will I find another Rajesh Khanna? He says, no, you must make it. But new boy, new girl, same music. So he repeated that 3-4 times. I said, eventually, at the end I told him, yes, definitely. I promise I'll remake Aradhana. I'm going to remake Aradhana with Aditya. That time my dad used to say, and he used to tell me also that, if the government doesn't give us permission, we can't shoot the Air Force sequences as I wanted to. But today I can shoot those sequences like I think Top Gun with Tom Cruise. Today that is possible to do. Government gives permission to shoot, and today computer graphics can create magic on screen. I've thought of making it, in that style of Top Gun, because that's today's generation. That was 40 years back today. So we'll keep the emotions, we will keep the storyline the same. We will keep the music also same songs, but record them today. We will have the playback singers of today, because the youth will identify with today's sound, today's singers, instrumentation. I have another story. In fact, I discussed that in November last year. He was keeping well and he was looking lovely. He had slimmed down and he was looking very nice. I went to his house, met him, spoke to him about this new project, and he was very happy. In fact, he was so happy, he said that involve me in the screenplay and involve me in the music settings, because their dad always called me for the screenplay and for the music settings. It's a role which has got the power like how Shah Rukh Khan did in Chak De India. It's that sort of a role. Of course, it's not about any sports. This is not about a game movie, but it's a musical movie. He's got a powerful role which is as powerful as Shah Rukh's and Chak De.
My favorite, I would say, is Aradhana, which I definitely would like to to be part of, because I think it made Rajesh Khanna the first superstar. So I'm hoping that I get to do that film sometime in my life. Other than that, I like Chinatown a lot. Very fast-paced suspense film, and In Evening in Paris, Kashmir Ki Kali. I like so many of my grandfather's films. Yeah, these ones definitely I would like to do.
I wanted Aradhana to be his second or third film, not his first film. Because in the very first film, I don't want anybody to compare him, not a single person should compare him to the great Rajesh Khanna. Many people did suggest that why don't you launch him with the remake of Aradhana. And I gave it a thought and I said no, let him come in an absolute new story so that he's not compared to anybody. Now that he is coming in this film and people will see him, he will establish himself. So people will be aware of Aditya Samanta. They will not then compare him to Rajesh Khanna in his next film.